How to make a very berry cobbler using blackberries and blueberries. I'm Tess, and today I'm making an easy and yummy berry cobbler. Stay tuned. This blackberry and blueberry cobbler recipe is so easy, and it may be a nice change for the holiday season in place of all those pies and cookies. So let's get started. In a large bowl, I have 4 cups of fresh blackberries, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, a juice of half a lemon, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, giving everything a gentle stir and fold to get all those berries coated. Now for the batter. I have 1½ cups of self-rising flour, which already contains the baking powder and salt, 1 cup of sugar, and giving that a good mix. This is 1½ cups of whole milk. Mixing everything well, and the batter will be on the thin side. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm melting a stick of unsalted butter in a baking dish. After the butter is melted, I'm pouring my batter directly over the butter. You may be tempted to stir, but don't stir. No need to. This cobbler is so simple to make. Now I'm laying in spoonfuls of the berries evenly over the batter. Again, don't stir. Make sure you get the sides and corners. You want those juicy berries in every bite. As the cobbler bakes, everything will come together and the berries will bake into the cobbler. The berry cobbler is going into a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes or until the center is firm and is golden brown on top. If you wanted, about 10 minutes before the cobbler is done, you can sprinkle some coarse raw sugar over the top to give it a more sugary texture. The very berry cobbler is done, and I'm letting it cool slightly before serving. You can serve the cobbler hot or cold. Serve with some ice cream, whipped topping, or the old-fashioned way with a little milk. I have several other cobbler recipes on my channel, and if you have a chance, please check them out. I hope you give this blackberry and blueberry cobbler a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!